Hello everybody, Smiley back again. I'm back with a baseball break today. I got one mega box of 2020 Panini Prizm. Now each mega box you get one autograph. You get 44 total cards, and you get this little bonus pack of some Prizms here. You get probably 4 of the teal wave Prizms, 4 of the cosmic haze Prizms, and 4 of the Carolina blue Prizms. I think I picked this up for $38 on eBay, so they're right around 38, 40 bucks per box with guaranteed autos. So let's crack this guy open. See what we got in. There's a better shot of the Prizms. There's that bonus pack. We'll save that for last. Alright. Pack 1. Pretty cool design this year. Garrett Cole. Dubon rookie. Giants. Nelson Cruz Lumber Inc. Bryce Harper. Instant Impact. That's a bad design there. Alright, pack 2. Hopefully get 1 or 2 color parallels in these packs too. Castro, the Tigers rookie. Ooh, Torres Prizm Lumber Inc. Nice silver Prizm there. Not a bad looking card. Castillo. Cool. Robles base. Morjan, a rookie. Padres. Oh, Yona. Autograph. Yep, just a base auto. No parallel auto this time. H. Nona. Kind of interesting. Not really a signature there. For the Braves, go ahead and sleeve that guy. So there's my one auto. And Woodruff. Alright, let's see if we get a nice numbered parallel. We got Lynn, Verlander, warming up in the pen, Pearson for the Jays, and Joey Gallo. Pretty much base pack there. Mike Trout base, nice. Brian Reynolds, Fireworks, Pete Alonso, and Brian Anderson. Come on, color. Yes, I know. Ooh, you got some color. Top of the class, Mondulu. Rookie. Let's see what this is. Like a maybe it's a zebra. Ooh, Anthony Rizzo, Stargazing. Ooh, look at that numbering. 49 out of 50. That's what I was looking for. Let's see what they call this. Is this just called zebra? Kaleidoscope. The snake skin probably. Very cool. Nice, low numbered. Alright, that's a good. So far, so good. Let's see if we can get something out of that Prizm pack. Oh, looks like I got silver. Paddock. Quino for rookie for my Reds. Nice. Ryu, silver Prizm. Not numbered. Alright, last pack. Kluber. Garcia, Arenado Fireworks, Illumination, Tatis Jr. They do have a lot of inserts in here. Alright, bonus pack. We'll see which parallel I like the best. My guess is Carolina Blue personally, but we'll see. Hopefully get one nice name out of these 12 cards. Alright, looks like we're hitting a cosmic. We got Diaz rookie for the Marlins. Gary Sanchez. luck. And the final Cosmic Conforto. Alright, Carolina Blues. We got Luke Weaver, Machado, Matt Chapman. Again, she's not numbered. And Max Scherzer. Alright, here's the Teal Wave. Chris Bryant, they look pretty nice. I'm probably going to go with these teals as my favorite. I'm not a huge fan of the waves, but I don't know, with the lighter color, they look pretty nice. Chris Bryant, Michael King rookie. Oh, that's a nice one. Moto. And how about this? Last card of the break, nice one. Jordan Alvarez, the Nation. Very cool. I have to say, pretty fun break. I was pretty happy with the auto. Bryant, definitely my 3 favorite cards here, but a lot of parallels, a lot of rookies, and then I got the wave pack. So pretty interesting little break there. So I have to try 1 or 2 more, especially if I can get a little bit of a discount on them, maybe. I don't know if these prices, mostly they fall a little bit, but we'll see. Maybe they'll fall a little bit. Maybe I'll pick up another 2-pack, open up a couple of them. So, but that is a pretty fun break. That is it for this 2020 Prizm Mega Box, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.